So we're ready with the second part of the al pastor tacos. I have the meat marinated for 24 hours. Now we just got to turn on the grill, make the salsa, cut the cilantro and cebolla, and that's about it. So the hard part was the first step to make the adobo, the grilling and preparing. The last part of the video is gonna be a lot easier. We're gonna grill the meat of the al pastor tacos, and since I don't have a trompo, I think grilling the meat is our best option before we put it in the pan with the onion and the pineapple and the extra sauce that we saved. So hold on, I'll show you the steps. The fire's pretty good looking. Now we're gonna go find the cilantro. Okay, that looks pretty fresh. So let's work on getting some, taking it to our chopping board. Fire is ready. This is a test run. We're gonna be making a lot more tomorrow. Today is just for 3. So we don't leave it for too long, just like a minute each side. That will just give the grill marks and the flavor of the meat another kick. We're gonna finish cooking this in the pan. I forgot, we got to go get that pineapple peeled and chopped so we can add it to the pan. So we're almost there. Looking good. Okay, 2 minutes, 1 minute on each side. This is ready for the next step. Just want those grill marks and the smoky flavor of the charcoal, or using mesquite charcoal. The pineapple smells amazing. It could be a little riper, but it's good already, I'm sure. You're gonna put it in the grill also, and that's gonna be one of the most important ingredients, as there's no al pastor without your little piece of pineapple, in my opinion. We can't throw it from a meter high to your taco, how they do it in the Mexico City taquerias, but at least we can add it to your plate and you will get that same flavor. So we're gonna cut it and put it in the grill. We are losing the daylight, so I'm gonna roast those pineapples, and I'm gonna bring some onions too, so we have all the ingredients ready. Look at that, this pineapple is sweet. We just will grill it for about 5 minutes or so, and the onions probably 10. It needs more time to get them nice and soft. While we leave this here, I'm gonna go check on the salsa. I think the tomatoes are cooked. That's the last thing we got to do before we assemble. I got a few tomatoes cooking right here. We're gonna boil them, and then we're gonna add some chipotle in adobo. Has the spice for the salsa. It's only 3 ingredients. We're gonna add some garlic, tomato, and chipotle, and that's about it. So I gotta tell you something. I like the salsa the way I originally made it, with 3 ingredients only, the garlic, chipotle, and tomato, but I felt like it still needed some more flavor, and I end up adding like half a cup of the adobo to these, boil it, and it turned out even better. Hey, pineapple is perfect. My God, if you could smell these, it would just come over right now. All right, that's what you want. On all the charred little pieces. This is basically cooked. We just need to put it all together in our pan and add some of that little salsa we saved to give it a little more flavor. The salsa's all ready to go, so You just gotta wait like 2 more minutes on the onion, and that would be it. Check this out. This is it. This is the time to build our tacos. So I got my pan, cast iron pan, pretty hot. Try to slice it as thin as you can. Do the same with the pineapple and the onion. And we're gonna throw it all in the pan with that extra adobo. Believe me, you're gonna love them. Yum. Man, I'm gonna have me another one. We need a little salt, so we'll add it right now. And we're gonna refresh the salsa over here, so it looks even more red than what it's already, and bring up all the flavor from the adobo. My favorite part so far is gonna be this, drying them. With the pineapple. Wow. I hope you can make them. It's worth the wait. And I would love to hear how yours came out. Until next time.